Ka Pidalen Malang naka School St. Mary's Mazzarello Girls High Secondary School Jowai, kalawan haka kerdan ka bapra haka top 20, haka Secondary School Living Certificate SSLC Examination, kabala penlong naka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos, kabala penbena haka Santarik Yayong. Ka Pidalen Malang kadeka kun jong kong Puromon Malang naka Snong Jaran Sutenga East Giant Hills District. Ka Pidalen Malang kalayo distinction hakin riut ligi subject, but yo marks sanspa and ripunyo. Haba yo benya keren bat ka Pidalen Malang kalapan pau ka jingkemen ban yo iya ka kerteng haka top 20. Haba ya day baka jimpen kre ya ka exam, ka Pidalen Malang kala ong baka de ka kam ka ba e bha, bat teng ka sngodu mensiem, hendrik nohikai ki badan hasenda, ki ay mensiem bat kloy banyarap ya ka, haka no por baka don kam jingaram. Kalapan seluruh yang para khynnah pantri shitom klem dapat ya ka ka baki wei ki don ni ya ka ka baki le henry banlong ki bayasha bat plet jingmut halaka jong ka thong namar kini ki alam shaka jingjop.
I am Syllad from St. Mary Mazzarello Girls High Secondary School Jowai, and I'm from Jaran Sutinga East St. Hills District. And I'm very happy when I saw my name was there in the topper list, top 20, and then I was in the 8th position, and then I was very happy at that time. And then first when I opened the MBO's official website, then I got to see my result, but then I don't know whether I was in the list of the topper list or not. But then after some times my friend called me and then they said that you got top in the top 20 and then you are in the 8th position, and then at that time I was very happy and I don't know what to say also. But then of course first of all I would like to thank God for all his guidance, his support over me, and also secondly my family members, the sisters, the teachers from my school for their guidance, for their support, for they have taught me. And then the lesson, they are not only teaching me about the books but also so many things about good manners and all. So and after all I will never forget my old school also, or my primary school, when I've started learning my the nursery learning, like the primary learning. So I've never forgot them also, the teachers there who have taught me how to write A, B, C, D and all. So when it comes to my preparation, I felt it was a very challenging task. Sometimes I get demotivated and feel like giving up, but then my teachers are always there clearing my doubts whenever I have. So I didn't have much problem because they are always there. They are always willing to help me whenever I asked. They are always inspiring me and then appreciating me. So I also thank myself for my hard work, my sacrifice. I feel myself that I have really worked hard, and with this I would also like to encourage all my friends to work hard and never lose hope. We should never afraid of losing friends. Remember, all we need is God and then the person whom we can trust, especially the teachers. And then focus on our own life. Don't look what others have or what they do. Focus on your own goal and then you will achieve what you want. And then also sacrifice is needed, and patient, be patient, as sacrifice and patience also they bring success. Thank you.